If you're experiencing controller drift in Overwatch 2, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to enable settings that may help mitigate the issue. Step 1. Access game settings. Open Overwatch 2 and navigate to the main menu. Click on the gear icon to access the game settings. Step 2. Go to Controls. In the Settings menu, find and select the Controls tab. This section allows you to customize your controller settings. Step 3. Adjust sensitivity. Look for the sensitivity settings for your controller. Lower the sensitivity for aiming and movement to see if it helps reduce the impact of drift. Step 4. Enable dead zone settings. Find the dead zone settings within the Controls menu. Increase the dead zone for both the left and right sticks to help ignore minor drift movements. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, make sure to save the changes before exiting the settings menu. Test your controller in-game to see if the drift has improved. By following these steps, you should be able to manage controller drift more effectively in Overwatch 2. If the problem persists, consider checking your controller for hardware issues while seeking further assistance.